Hey everybody, this is Mr. Storm. In this project, we're going to do something kind of, I don't know, kind of different. It's going to be fun. We're going to use loops to create an animation of a locker opening up. Now, here's the trick. I want you to, everyone's going to have a different combination, okay? You're going to remix this project. It's called Locker Combo Starter. I will send you the link to the project. Now, right now, currently, I have a bunch of code in the project just so that I can show you how it's supposed to work. I'm going to get rid of the code whenever I send you the link, so you won't be able to cheat. But what you want to do first is go to just a random number generator. You can go to Google and type random number generator. Set your range from, actually, we can make it 0 to 99, and then generate. You'll notice the last number I got was 54. You'll see that in just a second. So then you're going to use this project to create basically a simulation of opening up a locker combo. Now remember, there are certain rules for opening locker combos. First, you start at 0. You rotate clockwise 3 times to clear out whatever numbers have been set. Then you stop on the first number. You rotate counterclockwise 1 full revelation, and then you stop on the second number, and then you rotate clockwise again and stop directly on the third number. So let's see how this is supposed to work. My combo is 70, 39, 54. So it's going to rotate 3 times, and then it's going to turn to 70, all the way around, 39, and then 54. And then it says the locker is open. So I will very quickly show you the code just so that you have an idea of how to start. But just know that these numbers aren't exactly, I tried to kind of line it up with this line here. So 51, 52, 53, 54, they aren't exactly going to line up as easily, and I didn't do a great job compositing. Maybe I'll clean this up a bit before I send it out. But anyway, so that's how the project's supposed to work. So let's take a look at the code here. It's actually pretty easy. Let me zoom in a bit. There we go. So when the green flag is clicked, I want to point in a direction. 90 degrees is perfect for this combination. Then I want it to display the combo. So my combination is 70, 39, 54. Those were the 3 random numbers that I got when I used the random number generator. Then you're going to turn. So this section here, let me just isolate this section. This section here is rotating all the way around 3 times. Now, repeat 24, turning 55 degrees. Here's a really quick, handy trick that you can use. Hold on. So we know that there are 360 degrees in a circle. So if I say 360 divided by, I don't know, 24, we'd get 15, right? Now 15 times 3 is 45. That's how I came up with those numbers. Now, if you're wondering why did you do 15, or why did you do 3? It's because I want to rotate 3 times. I want 3 full revolutions so that we rotate 3 full times. And so if I were to slap that on there, we can see my combination. So we go 1, 2, 3. Okay, so let's do that again. 1, 2, 3. Now I did 45 degrees because I wanted it to go quickly. You know, whenever you're opening your lock, you spin it real quick to clear out the combo. All right. Then I had it wait for, I had it wait for 1 second. It's important to have it wait because if you don't, watch what happens. Okay, we spin, 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 and then we smoothly just start rotating, which it's fine, but I like the wait because it gives it kind of a break, right? Then we do the same kind of math, repeat 22 degrees. If I need to go from 0 back to 70, I need to go back 30 degrees, right? So I'm going to, I want to turn in 5-degree increments because this is really, it makes it really smooth. And so 360, going back 30 points, but 360 is the total. You'll have to do some, I don't know, playing around with it a little bit just to see if you can make it work, because we're dealing with ratios and all that. There's some advanced math that you can do to make it work. Most of you are probably just going to put in a number that looks about right and then kind of figure it out. What I've somewhat determined is if we're going back 30 and we're turning at 5-degree increments, 22 is about the right number. So if we take a look, it should land roughly on 70. Yeah, it was like 69-ish. So maybe like going back 21 degrees. Let's try that. Pretty much right on there. So anyway, so 30 points on the lock is about 21 degrees if you're moving by 5-degree increments. Now, notice that this is a repeat block. It's going to repeat a certain amount of times and then stop, right? So then we put a 5-second wait or a half a second wait there, repeat 122 degrees, and then a 5-second wait, and then, yeah. And then when we're done, the locker, or the, not a half, not 5 seconds, half a second wait. And then when we're done, we say the locker is open. Let me run that again just to make sure that my numbers aren't thrown off now that I've changed some values. Boom. Yeah, they're off. So I'm going to have to adjust this. So repeat 120. We'll try that. Now I'm just playing around with it. You guys get the idea, though. This is pretty much what we're doing. It's not going to be a difficult assignment. It is going to be interesting to see how much of it we can get done. And now it's like 68. So 121. All right. Anyway, I'm going to stop tooling around with it. But you guys get it. You get the idea. So now I'm going to delete all of that code, and I will share with you this project so that you can remix it and create your own version. And again, remember that you want to start by pointing in a certain direction, and you need to display the combo so I know what numbers you're trying to get. All right, that's it. Have fun with this project, and I'll see you later.